Good morning, nieces and nephews, and welcome back to Auntie No's Kitchen. And to my new subscribers, I welcome you. And I thank all of you for your love and support to my channel. Today, I'm going to throw together my sweet potato pie. I'm not going to do sweet potato pies this Thanksgiving. I'm going to do the fried sweet potato pie, but I'm just going to make a sweet potato pie for Katie Pot. So I'm going to show you how I make my sweet potato pie. So give me a moment. We're going to do a flip and a swip, and we're going to get busy, okay? Hold on one second. I'll be right back. Okay, what I have here, I have 4 sweet potatoes that were the size of this can, okay? I have 4. I got these. I got these from the grocery store. I have not been to the market where I buy my Mississippi mud jumbos. They're about this big. They're huge. That's what I prefer. But this is a video just to give you guys a recipe on how you can make your sweet potato pies. Okay, like I said, this is 4 potatoes. They're about this big. Okay, not skinny. They're fat and about this long. Okay, you want to look for potatoes that are really nice, perfectly like round. You don't want them you don't want skinny, long potatoes. Those don't make good pies. You don't want those. Leave those for when you want to just have a sweet potato all to yourself. But when it comes to pie making, you want potatoes that are nice, fat, round, and uniform, okay? I have 4 of these. I have a half stick of butter in here that's melted. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let me go over ingredients. Okay, 4 sweet potatoes, a half a stick of butter. I have 1 cup of evaporated milk. I do not use milk, homogenized milk, the milk that's in the jug or the carton. Now, if you're lactose intolerant, like I am, they do sell evaporated milk in lactate form. It's $2.50 at Walmart. Carnation sells it. So what I do, I use half a cup of the evaporated milk, and I add half a cup of water. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and not add that yet. 1 cup of sugar. For my diabetics out there, it's 1 cup of Splenda. 2 eggs. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. 1 tablespoon of nutmeg. And you're going to add 1/4 cup of flour because you need to bind it. Sweet potato pie is not supposed to be soupy. It's supposed to be thick. Okay? No salt. Do not add salt. Okay? So what first I'm going to do, I need to cream this up some. Cream your potatoes when they're hot, okay? Cream your potatoes when they're hot. Doesn't matter if I tap it or not because I'm not done, right? So it doesn't matter if I tap it or not. Okay, I'm going to add my milk. A little housekeeping. I'm going to add my 2 eggs. And I'm going to go ahead and cream this together first. And my rule is, if it's on the side of the bowl, it ain't mixing, right? Always take your spatula and get all of that goodness off the side of the bowl, okay? We want to do that. All right. Now we will add our sugar. And I will add my tablespoon of cinnamon. Level it off. 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Now I am a person that don't want my spoon messed up. I don't like my spices cross reference, so I have to wipe my spoon off. And I do have several mixing spoons, but today Auntie is lazy, and Auntie don't want to do that. And I have my tablespoon of nutmeg. Now, I'm going to add a tablespoon of vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract. And this bottle is a goner, so I'm just, that little bit's not gonna hurt. Throw that in my recycle bin. I'm gonna blend this up. Some folks get stingy on their little spices. Can't be stingy now. You know, a good sweet potato pie, you got to have some flavor. You got to have flavor. That's my grandmama say. People need to be able to taste your food. I'll tell you what I used to do on my job. I didn't eat or participate in the potlucks at work because of my digestive issues. And I'm not going to lie. When you hear people, they say they put their collard greens in the washing machine to clean them. No. And then with my digestive disorder, oh no, I've been taken out of that place too many times on the ambulance. All right, let's get our flour. I know I said a 1/4 cup. I'm going with a 1/2 cup. And always level your ingredients off. Level them off. Because if you don't, what's going to happen is that you won't know really what you're getting. Okay, level your stuff off, okay? It's very simple to level your things off. At this time, I'm going to turn my oven on. And you know what? I'm going to tell you what I did. I bought that Pillsbury roll dough, or whatever you want to call it. I'm not happy about it. I'm going to throw together a pie crust so you guys can see me whip up my potato pie. Because I thought I was going to I didn't like that dough. I'm not a fan of it. But I went on and used it in this pie pan for her. But I wasn't happy at all. Wasn't happy at all. So hold on, family. Took too much work to get this dough together. I'm going to throw together my own little pie crust. Now your pie crust, when I say blind bake, what I do, I have beans. I put them in my pie crust. You'll see. I'll show you what I'm talking about. I've shown you before in some of my other videos. I've shown you what blind bake is. Because pie crust bumps up. Ooh, I don't want to waste my cinnamon. Pie crust bumps up during baking, and you want to make sure, because the bottom of pie crust bakes very, very slow, and you don't want that soggy mess. You don't want that. That's why you got soap, water, and bleach. Unplug this, get this mess out of my way. And this is about to get on my nerve already. It's got on my nerve. Okay, so I'm going to get this scooped in into my pie crust, and then I'm going to throw together my own pie crust. Auntie don't like that. So I'm going to whip this in here, because I do like deep dish pies. I don't like thin pies. My grandma made this apple pie. I'm going to make it. It was called she called it thin pies, but she only did it with apples. She only did it with apples. That was the best apple pie. She only did it with apples. She only did it with apples. So I'm going to throw this in the oven. Once the oven is hot, and I'll be right back. Okay, oven is gone off. I'm going to put this in the oven for an hour. And I'm going to set my timer, and I'll check it then. It may be an hour and 10 minutes. So I'm going to put this in the oven. I'm going to whip up a pie crust, and I'll show you that in a minute, okay? Nieces and nephews, the sweet potato pie is done. And I let it cool and completely rest, because you cannot serve a sweet potato pie when it's straight from the oven, because it has not set and settled and uniform. And here is a piece, because I need you guys to see what Auntie, let me get you guys some better light. Okay, nieces and nephews, now see, this is a good sweet potato pie. All that goodness, you see, it's all nice. It's not soggy. Now, if you pick up a sweet potato pie and it's limpy and it's falling over the serving spoon, spatula, whatever, it's not done. Okay, it is not done. Sweet potato pie is not supposed to be drooping or limping. It should be in uniform, and it should be solid, okay? That's the sweet potato pie. This how my grandma made them, and this the way I made them. Now, you know what? I'm telling you a little thing you could do. Instead of vanilla flavor, that tablespoon, you can take a teaspoon of vanilla flavor, and you can add that with a teaspoon of lemon extract, not flavor, that vanilla extract. You can add a teaspoon of lemon extract. Or you can add a teaspoon of coconut extract. Now that's really good. That's my favorite to do when it's just, when I make the little individuals, I like to add a little bit of coconut extract in mine, okay? So this is it, our sweet potato pie. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you make this for your upcoming holiday meal. Sweet potato pie is easy. Like I said, what makes cooking hard for people, it's not the cooker, it's the way you're taught. You know, when the teacher makes it seem so hard, you don't learn it. But that's why I try to take my time and go over everything for you guys, so you can your dish can be successful. All right. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. To the next upload, tight hugs and kisses. Again, I won't buy these pre-made crust anymore. Since I am going to be making some some pies for this upcoming holiday, I'm going to be making my butter pie crust. So I have to set all that up. So the next upload, I will see you guys later. Hugs, kisses to each of you. Go be you. But one thing about it, be great being you. Love you guys. Bye.